is Tiana. I'm currently a junior attending Loyola University of Maryland. I am a communications and media major specializing in journalism and digital media. I'm from Maryland, so come to Loyola wasn't too far from home. I've been involved in a lot of things at Loyola. I've been involved in Great Calm Studios, which is the studio production department on Loyola's campus. I've edited audio, podcasts. I've created logos for podcasts through Great Calm. I definitely recommend getting on Great Calm, especially if like video production, studio production stuff is your alley. For the past 2 years, they've done the photo shoots for the BSA fashion show. I am on the graphics team for the BSA fashion show. I do t-shirt design, logo. I've done animations for the logos. I've edited photos for the Instagram to be posted on. There's a lot of other roles you can do as well. So applying for the BSA fashion show e-board is also really fun. You can also be in the show as well if you audition as a model. I like being behind the scenes, so I'm not a model, but I am on the e-board as a graphics manager. Right now, I've been more into like digital media stuff, so like graphic design, animation, video production. And this semester and last semester, I've taken class that's been centered around that. Last semester, I took a animation class where we worked in After Effects and just practiced different animation tools in that. And I've created some really cool stuff, and that was really fun. It's really been helping me grow my skills as an artist and graphic artist. Our professors are also really nice, really easy to get connected with. Like, I love being a communication major because of how interpersonable and how I can be connected with my professors and make those connections. And yeah, it's really nice. I love being a comm major. There are a lot of reasons why I love coming to Loyola. One, the weather is really nice. The campus is beautiful. It's really nice. You gotta go outside. Like, you can't sit in your dorm when it's spring or summer or even fall when it's just really nice out. The weather is nice. Even when it snows, honestly, we had some snow last semester and the year before. Campus is just beautiful when it's white, when it's snowed out. It's a really beautiful campus. I think the photos, they don't lie. The campus looks like that. In the photos, it looks like that. I've grown comfortable and close with professors in my major department, communications. I've gotten work opportunities through having my connections in the comm department. Get friendly and familiar with your professors, with faculty, staff, in your major department, because you never know what opportunities that they know about, that can help you with, that people that can get you connected with.